Welcome. My name is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. To get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using, maybe settings as an example for this. So once you have it open and visible on the screen, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this animation as you just seen, and a pop-up with share, edit, and delete options, which will disappear after a second or so. And that's about all. Now there's another way of capturing a screenshot by holding the power key, and you also get this pop-up right here. Same thing, does exactly the same thing, you just need to hold the power key and then select screenshot instead of holding the two keys. So once you have captured your screenshot, you can then find that screenshot, or however many you have captured over the time. You can find all of them in your gallery application, which I believe is right here. There we go, photos. And as you can see, there are some pictures right here, but we can go to library and we should have a screenshot folder right here. And in here we will only find screenshots and nothing else. And as you can see, those are the two screenshots that I have captured. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.